Hey guys, it's Adam with Renegade Products. We're here at SDR Motorsports in Corona, California. We're going to go ahead and show you guys the basics of wheel and tire maintenance and care using a Savage APC, rubber and vinyl, and also we're going to give this baby a wash as well as a full carbon fiber Can-Am Maverick 3. We're going to give this a quick wash and rinse, and then we're going to get right into the wheels and tires. The first step is to wash the surface. Right here we're using Rebel Money Shot, a foam cannon, and a power washer. Doing this first will take off any loose dirt or debris. The cleaner the surface of the tire and wheels are, the better result you'll get from steps 2 and 3. Step 2, after the rinse, we're going to go ahead and use Savage APC and a brush. As you see on the tire itself, really cleaned off a little bit of the loose debris, but it's still pretty ugly. Really needs some extra care. We're going to go ahead and remove all that with the Savage here. Savage APC is an all-purpose cleaner infused with soap to better remove any stuck-on grease, grime, and unwanted contaminants. Right here we're using Savage paired with a Nylex brush to work into the hard-to-reach area of the tire and wheel. Don't forget to clean the inward-facing side of the tire as well. This will give us a nice clean surface that will enhance the results of Rebel rubber and vinyl. After you're done using APC and rinsing that off, you can go ahead and apply rubber and vinyl. If you wipe it off right away, you're going to get a nice new matte finish. If you were to put it on while the wheel is still wet, you're going to get a nice high shine gloss finish. So that's the one thing I like about rubber and vinyl. You can pick the finish you're going for. Rebel rubber and vinyl has a water-based UV protective formula. After applying, we wipe down immediately with a microfiber towel to obtain a new tire finish. I personally like to wipe between the treads so that the whole tire looks good. Rebel rubber and vinyl also is a great product to rehydrate any old or weathered plastics and rubber parts. By doing these 3 steps every month, you'll keep your wheels clean and your tires hydrated, which will increase their lifespan. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to see more content, follow us on our YouTube page and subscribe below. Also, you can follow us at Renegade Products USA on Instagram. And if you have any specific content that you want to see, DM us on our Instagram or put a comment below.